Well, hi there you lovely fly fishing maniacs. My name is Ken Persson. I'm the co-founder of Sameo Sweden. A couple of weeks ago we were up on the sport fishing fair, and one of the things I noted is there's always people coming up to me looking at the rods and they're saying, you know guys, I have all the rods I ever need. And I always do this trick, show you this one. Okay, you have one of these and they go crazy and they say, what the hell is that? Is that a number 1 or is it 0 or is it a 2 weight? I said, no. This is a 4 weight, actually 4-5 weight, because you can use a 5 line on it, 6 line on it, 7 line on it, if you only use short distances. So for small waters, this is excellent. So tag along as I'm gonna show you this weird tiny little rod, the Black Sniper. So here we go. I have put on a AFTM classed 4 weight on the Black Sniper rod. I tried with about 6 meters of fly line. No problems. Feels a bit fast and a bit light, but it works. With 10 meters in the air it starts to load better. About 18 meters carry and shoot. No problems, plenty of power in the last delivery. Now we try a 5 line in the same way. Short line feels a bit better than the 4 weight and it loads a bit deeper. With 10 meters in the air it feels great. "18 meters carry, no problems at all, still shoots like a bat out of hell." Let's turn it up a notch, a 6 line on the rod. The short line cast loads immediately and feels great. 10 meters, no problem, actually very nice on this short rod. 18 meters carry, feels a bit heavy, but still, no problems to shoot.
So it's actually no problem at all to use 3 different lines on any rod. And especially if you have a short rod like this, the Sniper is only 6 foot long. And the taper of the blank is so bloody powerful. Look at that power. See? I can push really hard on the fish. And just moves down the energy in the blank. Easy to cast on shorter distances. Why not? Use the power. See? I can cast like a spinning rod with it, down from below. Well, look, it's snowing today. It's bloody April weather.
Okay, let's head for the local small stream to try out that last combo. The AFTM 6 weight forward line. This time to try the water anchored cast in a more realistic scenery. The first spot is tight and I need to cast about 15-16 meters fly line here to get to the other side. It's no problem to switch cast and roll out the size 8 dog knobber streamer. Second spot is even tighter and it's more narrow, still no problems. I actually feel I could use the 7 weight line here. Now this spot is tough to cast. I have branches all over and all around me. But it's like using a spin rod. I use the wrist and I let the little rod shoot the line. And by the way, the line is just a standard. It's a Sameo payload, our standard line. It's not a short belly, special super duper heavy line that costs an arm and a leg. No. It's just a standard 12 meter head line. The only thing is that it's 2 weight classes up. So my advice is go and try out the line you normally use for streamers. Use the leaders that fit the bait you want to present and then choose a rod that works best for the fishing spot. So this short 6-foot Sameo sniper rod, it's maybe not the perfect tool for your lake fishing, but in a narrow small stream or for your kid to learn on, man, it's brilliant. And the best thing, it doesn't break the bank. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. See ya!